Hi everyone, Donna here with Bookkeeping Made Simple. It is that time of year again. Before I get started, excuse me, as always, if you enjoy these videos, if they bring any value to you, please like, share, and subscribe. That is how we grow our channels. This is available on YouTube and on Spotify. Let me think, who else have I? Spotify, Amazon, Google Play. I think that's it. But anywhere you get a podcast, you can get these this information from us. So the holidays are right around the corner. Nobody is thinking about accounting right now because everybody's thinking about Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and all the end of the year holidays. But before you know it, it's going to be time to ring in the new year. For small business owners, this is also a really great time to get your accounting in order. Which can be quite the task, but we're here to help. Let's get you started. First, you're going to want to review your financial statements from the past year. This is going to give you a good starting point for understanding where your business stands financially. Has your income gone up? Has your income gone down? And that by income, I mean top line gross revenue. Are there any areas for improvement? If you saw your revenue drop, what can be done to change that? Do you have some category in your bookkeeping that makes you wonder about your spending? So that's one of the very first things we want to do with our clients at the very end of the year. This is the time to address them. We want to address them before January 1st. Second, is tax returns. We like to prepare our clients' tax returns as quickly as possible and as early as possible in the year. So that means we like to try to get them prepared before the IRS even opens things up for e-file. And that usually happens in February. But we like to get everything ready to go so that the sooner you know what your tax burden is going to be, the sooner you can start making arrangements for it. There are a lot of resources to file your taxes online. I don't recommend them. Even as a tax preparer, I find some of them a little bit more difficult to use. Best option is to use a qualified tax preparer who spent a year keeping up on tax issues and can help you pay as little in tax as legally possible. Review your insurance coverage. You know what? Nobody ever thinks about this. Businesses change from year to year, so it's important to make sure your insurance coverage is still adequate. Does your property insurance still recover the replacement value of your assets? Does your liability insurance still protect you from potential lawsuits? If not, now's the time to make changes. We do partner with some insurance agents who'd be happy to review your insurance coverage and check on both the adequacy of the coverage and the prices. Number 4, evaluate your debt situation. Take a look at any loans or lines of credit, credit cards. Are the terms still favorable? Inflation and increasing interest rates have really taken a big bite out of people's budgets. So now's a good time to start looking to see if there is a better option. There might be, there might not, but you don't know till you look. Shop around and see if you can get a better deal elsewhere. And of course, and this should actually be number 1, update your bookkeeping records. People really tend to like to put everything in a spreadsheet and hope for the best. But it's important to keep your books up to date so that you can track your progress year over year. If you don't like doing the bookkeeping, great. Our staff at Bookkeeping Made Simple can help you get your books caught up to date, and maintained throughout the year so that you can make decisions about your business that best suit you. There's nothing worse than making uninformed decisions. Getting your accounting in order may not be the most fun way for you to spend the end of the year, but it is an essential task for small business owners. We want to help you ensure that you're ready for whatever next year throws your way, financial challenges and opportunities included. And again, you don't like doing any of those, give us a call at 801-692-0032. We'd be happy to help get this taken care of for you. Thanks, and we will talk to you again very soon.